What happens when you wake up in the morning? Why do you need to count to 12? Say Modani. You were totally physical, with no spirituality in you while you were sleeping. And you wake up and the spirit comes back into you and you have to start doing spiritual things in the world. But still, it's difficult. Moving from one aspect to the other. And one of the reasons for washing your hands in the morning, after you wake up, you wash your hands 3 times, switch sides between your hands. One of the reasons is that you are preparing yourself for davening. And davening is the most spiritual aspect that we can do in this world, speaking to God. You have to wash off all your physical aspects. And really, not only in the morning. Really, the real halacha is that you have to wash your hands before every davening. The same way you wash your hands in the morning, you wash your hands before mincha. You wash your hands before Mariv, because if you were just doing whatever you were doing, and now suddenly you're going to talk to God, you have to wash off that physical aspect. The most intense time you do that in the morning is after you wake up, of course. After you wake up, you're all physical. Now you wash your hands and you prepare yourself for davening. Many people do not wash their hands before mincha and Mariv. But still, the most important washing your hands of the day, the only one you make a bracha on, is right in the morning, and the right time to do it is right after you wake up. You say Modani, you go and you wash your hands and prepare yourself for the davening. Those who come to with me know that between the time when you wake up and you daven, you're really not supposed to do anything else anyway. So if you wash your hands right when you wake up, you're preparing yourself for davening, because what are you not allowed to do before davening? You're not allowed to eat, okay? You're not allowed to start traveling. So really, washing your hands first thing in the morning is preparing yourself for davening, washing off that physical aspect of sleep. Before mincha and mariv, it's washing off all the other things you were doing during the day. And maybe then, if you reach davening, washing off everything that's around, you can also be quiet and not talk about other things, because now you're davening. You washed everything out. There's nothing else to do now except for davening. Everyone have a good day.